Hi people, my channel Raider Pro.
The legendary Suzuki RM-Z450 is officially back for 2026, and it's meaner, sharper, and more race-ready than ever before. After intense competition in the motocross world, Suzuki has stepped up with serious upgrades to dominate tracks once again. If you're a true dirt bike fan, this is the comeback you've been waiting for. Aggressive new design and lightweight chassis. The 2026 RM-Z450 comes with an updated, sharper body design that screams factory racing. Suzuki has refined the frame for better rigidity balance, improving corner stability and rider feedback. The slim bodywork allows easier movement on the bike, giving riders more control during tight turns and aggressive jumps. It's built for competition, lightweight, compact, and track-focused. Powerful 449cc engine performance. At the heart of the RM-Z450 is its proven 449cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. For 2026, tuning improvements enhance throttle response and mid-range punch, delivering explosive acceleration out of corners. Suzuki's advanced fuel injection system ensures smooth power delivery, while the updated ECU mapping gives riders better control in different track conditions. This bike isn't just fast, it's race-ready straight from the factory. Advanced suspension and handling. The 2026 model continues to feature premium suspension components for maximum track performance. The front forks and rear shock are optimized for better damping, control, and improved landing. Stability. Whether you're attacking whoops or flying over doubles, the RM-Z450 delivers confidence and precision. Smart racing technology. Suzuki's whole shot. Assist control and updated traction management. System give riders a competitive edge at the start line. With multiple launch modes, riders can adapt to different track surfaces instantly. This tech ensures better grip, faster starts, and stronger finishes. Built for motocross champions, the Suzuki racing DNA runs deep in the RM-Z lineup. Designed with professional racing feedback, the 2026 RM-Z450 is engineered for serious riders who demand podium-level performance. It's not just a bike, it's a weapon for the track. Final verdict, is the 2026 RM-Z450 worth it? If you're looking for a competitive 450cc motocross machine with proven performance, aggressive styling, and race-winning technology, the new 2026 Suzuki RM-Z450 is absolutely worth your attention. The legend isn't just back, it's ready to dominate again. What do you think about the 2026 RM-Z450? Would you ride it this season? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bike reviews and updates.